Hey, this is Laker Coleman, or some know me as Kid Guru. Today I'm just gonna go over again some how to improve your PC speed. And I know I've been going over desktop organization and everything, but now I'm gonna go over some new tips and tricks that I've learned on how to speed up your PC. And this is gonna be a whole guide over guideline over some ways. Today I'm gonna show you two things, like I showed you in the video, my very first video, if you remember, was the internet speed. And I believe I showed you internet speed, and I forgot what else, but I showed you using the regedit tool, and I'm gonna go over to that today a lot. I'm gonna go over that my complete guideline on how to improve fast download speed. I know a lot of you maybe have slow PCs. I had a slow PC, but you can turn your slow PC into a fast one. And today I'm just gonna go over how to improve your download speed. How to make your shutdown and startup of Windows and shutdown of Windows go faster. I believe this works on Vista as well. Just go to your run, type in regedit, hit OK. That's regedit. Regedit stands for registry editor, and just wait for this thing to come up. And then I have it all set right here, but right here, go to HKey local machine, and let me just turn on my zoom it and go to HKey local machine, and then it should open a thing like this. Now let me just pull this all up so I can show you step by step. I'll show you step by step each way how to do this. In this whole series of videos, I'll show you ways to make your PC go faster. Click HKey local machine, go to system. So you have control set 102. Go to current control set and go to control. So current control set, then control. And this is right here. This is how to make your shutdown go faster when you shut down Windows. Go to where it says right here at the bottom, it says wait to kill service right here. Wait to kill service. Can't see that again. Wait to kill. And it should be, I believe, at 20,000, I think, something like that. Change it to lower or whatever you want. But mine's only 150,000, but 15,000 actually. I still need to make that lower. I recommend nothing lower than 500, so maybe in the thousands, maybe 10,000 would be fine. Now this is how it waits to kill the service packs when restarting. Because Windows takes a long time to restart, and it's a wait to kill service timeout. And the services for Windows, when it's like safety shutdown, and the whole software, it's like it waits. It turns off all these packets to make sure everything's safe, so it takes forever. So here you can make that, change that, and then now that you're on control, go down to where it says, right here it says content index. Let me just zoom up on that. Right here, if it's content index, right here. Now let me just pull this out. Sorry about that. Right here. Okay, content index, not content index common, content index. Click it. You get this whole list right here. This is still under control. Scroll all the way down to where it says startup delay. This is a big number. This is usually at 40,000. Double click it. Change it to decimal, and it's at, I believe it's originally 48,000 or something like that. Just change it to 4,000. Make sure you're in decimal. Just hit OK, and then just restart your computer to see the difference. And there you go. Again, that's regedit, HKey local machine, system, current control set, control. Change your shutdown from control, which is wait to kill service, and go to, for your startup, go to content index. That's in the control folder. And scroll down to where it says, again, startup delay. And regedit's a really good, really great service thing, helper for Windows that really helps, sorry about that secret box, but really helps, regedit, don't forget, registry editor, really great, really helpful to speed up your downloads. Speed up in general with a lot of things, so explore that. I'll have more videos out. Those are just two quick things to go over today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe, comment, and rate as well. Anyways, happy happy new speeds or whatever.